NASDAQ this week has lost its value. We can see that the price has stayed for a while, for 3 days, above 21,000. Indecision candles has been formed, and then on a Thursday we can see a bearish candle going below 21,000, where the next level was 2044, 6.34. After this bearish breakout, the price has continued to lose its value. It fell down all the way to this support level, trying to make bearish breakout going even further down, but the price has retraced slightly back up, which means this is the area where the price has stopped just at the support and the demand zone. Weekly time frame shows me currently a bearish candle, which means this bearish bullish breakout that has been formed in the previous week has been failed, and this bearish breakout is suggesting further decline in value. Monthly time frame is currently still bullish because we have 2 more weeks, and also the price did not go below 20,000 where the month has started. We can see that everything's still open, so I will not make any conclusions, but the very important support level is 20,000 for the price on the monthly time frame in order to keep this bullish momentum active. If it goes below, this will be a cancellation of this bullish breakout, where the next support level would be around this area here, around 19,500. Will it happen? We'll see on the lower time frames. First of all, on the weekly, we can see that the next support level will be 20,000. So this is something that I'm expecting for the price to make in next week. But first of all, I would like to see the price going below 20,500. If it makes a bearish breakout, like in this example here, we can see that with this bearish candle, the prices took all the way back down to this demand zone, a support level at 20,000 as a support. So for now, I am waiting for the Monday to see how the price will behave around this support area level, around this demand zone. Will the demand zone lose its strength and the price make a bearish breakout? If that happens, we'll see the price going even further down. But if the price stays above, not going above this area around 20,836, this will be a range area for the price, and we will need to wait until the price makes a clean breakout with the strong candles going above or going down. When that happens, I will also make the daily analysis with the traders. If you are interested, feel free to join the Telegram, where I share the daily analysis with the traders. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.